This video is to show you how Zigaflow's new workflow functionality can benefit your business. It allows you to split your operations into groups of operations based on the way that you work. So for example, here I have a manufacturing process where I have a certain set of statuses, and I also have an installation process which has a different set of statuses, and I can now see them on the same jobs module, and it's the same across all the other modules. I can also have them both together. It adds all of the statuses to one screen. So to set this up, and this is the same for each module, you go to Configure, Jobs in this case, and then Workflow, and then click on Add New. Now I've set up two here already. If I click on one of them, then I can see all of the statuses that are available in the system for the Jobs module, and I select the ones that I want to have in this workflow. So I'm going to remove that one, and that will go. When I set them both up, that's actually all I need to do to get it working. However, one thing to make this work really well is to then set up the workflows in the pre-builds. So this means when somebody selects that pre-build to build their job or their quote, it will be in the correct workflow. So if we go to pre-builds, if I select, say, this one, installation here, and then I can select the workflow installation. So now back on this screen, I'm going to create the job, and I'm going to select installation QA check. That's already put it into this workflow. Now I can change the workflow by selecting the status button here and changing it here. What this means is that you can have a job. So for example, here I might have a manufacturing job, then I'm going to install as well. So I would run this through the workflow for manufacturing, and then at the end of this I would change it over into the installation workflow. We've posted into the help section how to get this set up as well, and if you struggle, please give us a call and we'll help you out.